The older I get, the more I realize something. A clean home isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it feels. It's that sense of calm when you walk into the kitchen. It's waking up and knowing your space is supporting you, not stressing you out. And no, it doesn't take hours of cleaning. It's the little things, the simple habits that build a peaceful, guest-ready home one day at a time. Let me share the 12 daily habits that make my home feel lighter, cleaner, and more like a sanctuary, even on busy days. Let's begin. 1. I reset my bedroom every morning. Before I even pour a cup of coffee, I make the bed, clear the nightstand, and pick up anything out of place. It's a 2-minute reset that helps the whole room and my mindset feel settled. 2. I never leave dishes in the sink overnight. After dinner, I clean up right away. Even just wiping the sink makes the kitchen feel fresh the next morning. And starting the day clean just feels better. 3. I sweep the high-traffic areas. The entryway, kitchen, and hallway get a quick sweep every afternoon. Not deep cleaning, just a refresh to keep dust and crumbs from spreading. 4. I do one small load of laundry a day. No more laundry mountains. I wash something simple, like towels or yesterday's clothes, and fold it later while I unwind. It's manageable, and it stays manageable. 5. I open the windows, even just for 10 minutes. Fresh air clears the energy. It replaces stuffiness with something that feels honest and clean, especially on quiet mornings. 6. I wipe the surfaces I use most. Kitchen counters, bathroom sink, coffee table, just a quick pass with a cloth. It keeps everything looking cared for without much effort. 7. I give everything a proper home. Remotes, glasses, mail, nothing floats around. If it doesn't have a spot, I create one. That's how clutter disappears before it begins. 8. I sort the mail the moment it arrives. Trash goes out, bills go in my organizer, personal notes go on the desk. No paper piles, no mess later. 9. I keep a small cleaning caddy nearby. Just a few basics, a spray bottle, microfiber cloth, small duster. If I see a smudge or a spill, I can handle it instantly without digging through the closet. 10. I do a 5-minute reset before bed. I fluff the pillows, fold the blanket, and clear the coffee table. When I wake up, the house feels ready to greet me, not stress me out. 11th. I dust one thing a day, not the whole house, just one shelf or surface. It keeps things under control without ever feeling like a chore. 12. I take a moment to enjoy the space I've cared for. Sometimes I light a candle, sit with a book, or just soak in the quiet. Because a clean home isn't just functional,
Mhm.
it's emotional. It's your comfort zone. These habits aren't about being perfect. They're small, thoughtful steps that keep my home peaceful and my mind a little clearer. If one of these tips spoke to you, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you